Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am cleaning my oven. So we clean our oven every 6 months. There is scratches and dirt. I think this one is from a microfiber towel being burnt on the oven. Don't ask, but that will go away. For the inside of the oven, I did the self clean the day before, and then it just burns everything off just to make it easier to just brush everything out and wipe everything. But with that being said, there's still the burnt stuck on the oven itself, and we will be getting rid of those too. For the glass, I will be showing you a trick to remove it. It's super easy and it does not scratch the glass as well. So first things first, I'm removing the grill from the oven. So I have a Whirlpool, and with this model, I'm not too sure which one it is, but I will put it in the description below. And the door of the oven, it can be removed. We will be showing you how to do that, and it's so much easier to clean without the door. So to remove the door, what you want to do is open the door all the way. There are two hinges on each side. Just lift that up. And once you have the hinges out, you want to bring it closer as if as you're closing it. And then just pull on it. Make sure you're holding onto the sides and not the top. There we go. That's it. For this, I'm not cleaning the drawer. We're just gonna be removing that. It's already cleaned. And then this is it. Without the door, without the drawer at the bottom, so much easier to reach inside, especially with my short arms. I brought this broom from IKEA. It came with the dustpan as well, and I use it only for my oven and just sweep it, the bottom, everything that was burnt from the self clean of the oven itself. It just goes down to the bottom, and you really just want to get out all the dust as much as possible. So we push the oven forward and now just unplugging it. So now I'm creating a paste to use inside of the oven, and it's just baking soda with water, and you want to create a paste with this. So I have about 1 full cup of the baking soda, and then the water, I'm just adding it in slowly just to get a nice paste to it. For this part, make sure that you're using a glove, and then just spread all of that mixture inside the oven. I also put this mixture on the stove top as well. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And this is the dough that we took off. And now for the second mixture, what I have is vinegar in a spray bottle. And then I'm adding in a little bit of lemon juice just because you don't want your whole house to be smelling like vinegar. So the lemon juice actually cuts that smell a little bit. And the next step is to spray that vinegar mixture on your baking soda mixture. So anywhere that you put that baking soda mixture, just spray this all over. Inside the oven, on the stove, and don't forget about the door as well. You'll want to leave this mixture now with the baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice. What you want to do is keep it for at least 2 hours. I know it seems like a long time, but it really gets the job done. And I do want to remind you as well, it is very messy when you are removing that baking soda from the oven. But honestly, it's worth it because it turns out super clean and it actually looks brand new after. So keep that going for 2 hours and then scrub. Now for the trick of the glass, Joel is taking a razor blade and removing all that black things that was stuck to the glass, all that burnt marks, everything just gets rid of it, and it actually does not scratch the glass of the oven door, which is super amazing. With that same razor blade, he is removing the stains on the countertop or the stove top, and it's gone, and it does not scratch the glass again on top of there. So this is an amazing trick for this. And with the handle there, we removed it and wiped the bottom. And also with the handle, I actually washed it by hand with just dish soap and water. Et voila, this is my brand new oven. This is what it looks like after we cleaned it. It looks a lot better than what it used to, and this is amazing, honestly. Would you just look at it? And now putting back the door again, just slide it in. And then you want to let it open all the way and then click and click. There you go. And that's it. So with stainless steel, there is a little trick that I want to show you. And see at the bottom there, it just looks white and it's not shiny. But an easy way to do this is just putting olive oil in a microfiber cloth. And then you want to wipe that everywhere where there is the stainless steel. And it keeps the shine, and also it keeps it looking really clean as well. This is it. This is my sparkling new clean oven, and I had so much fun doing this video even though it took so long, but it was worth it. I really appreciate you guys watching all of my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you like this kind of videos. I mean, do you like the cleaning videos, the traveling, the cooking? Let me know down in the comment. Thank you for watching.